quick reading for March the 11th to March the 12th. Sagittarius, your cards are the Judgment, the Temperance, and the Queen of Wands. Ang nakikita natin dito, parang merong takot itong taong nag-a-approach sa'yo, no? Para kasi sigurong lumabas yung ibang um, parang signs, no? Yung sa iyong chart. For a few numbers of you, baka yung mga may Leo, no? Or Aries placement or probably Scorpio placement sa inyo. Parang yun yung nag-dominant, no? Or yun yung nag-dominate na characteristic. Kaya parang medyo natakot sila, no? And for probably for a few numbers of you, meron kayong mga Gemini placement. Parang sabi nito, andali, hindi ko siya matimpla. Baliw ba siya ngayon o ano? So parang itong taong 'to may takot siya na, um, i-a-approach ka niya ng palambing 'no, hindi pabalagbag. Kasi kung pabalagbag, baka hindi niya kayanin yung puwede mong maging response. Kaya ngayon magalang ang ating Ginoo o ginang or binibini rather. So this is your reading for, March the 11th to March the 12th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye.